What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda Michelle. If you love everything home decor, you're in the right place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today I am bringing you guys with me to Ikea to see what's new for 2024. But if you've never seen me before, hit that subscribe button, join the YouTube fam. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok, always linked down below, where I like to share daily home decor. Now, let's get going to Ikea. This is interesting. I like the little design. I love the rattan with the black. It's a little ottoman with storage for $94.99. This will be cute in a living room space. It almost reminds me of like a little bug. I really like these two. Handmade beige armchair. I like the design. I'm seeing a lot of rattan so far. These are $2.19 each. But I like that these are a little bit different than your usual rattan style. And I love the color. So one thing I absolutely love about Ikea is that you can customize your own furniture. This is for storage units. Look how pretty the new designs are. They didn't have these the last time I came. Obviously you can see that there's so many to choose from. They even have like a dark wood color. And you could even pick the legs and the feet. I love that. So if you don't see something that you like, you can customize it. So these are bookcases. I've never seen these before. These are really, really pretty. So you have this brown walnut one for $79. And then this lighter one for $49. Actually really, really nice. I'm a bookworm. I love reading books. I do need something like this down the line in my home. I might just have to come back to Ikea. Here's another one. This one is $399. It's just wider and shorter. But this one I really like because you can actually put decor up top if you really wanted to, maybe even a mirror. Those over there that I just showed you guys are taller. These are shorter. Look at this one. Oh, this one's really pretty. Wow, this one's going for $599. I love the accent of black. That just makes it 10 times better. Here's this walnut one for $5.99. It's a sideboard. I typically don't like when it's all like wood on wood, the feet. You guys see that? But it works really well with this piece. And if you're someone that doesn't want your books to show, then you can get one of these. Still have space for storage. I think that shelf needs to get put back. This one is $549. Oh, I spotted this with my little eye. Look at that. It's part of the same collection. This one's going for $4.99. This is so pretty. I think this in my husband's office would be so nice. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it even has glass shelves on the inside. Oh, I have to show this to my husband. This is so pretty. Okay, so walnut is definitely the it color this year because I am seeing it everywhere here at Ikea. This is a door style walnut finish. It's beautiful compared to this light oak, which is also really, really pretty. So nice. Okay, IKEA is stepping it up. This is really luxury, really minimalist. They're even making me think of switching out mine. They're going for $86, $86, and $86. So they're all $86. But guys, a design like this can cost you so much money, up in the thousands even. And you can find it here, get the same look for cheap. Okay, I made my way to the dining chairs. Oh, I really want to share with you guys more of the furniture pieces rather than decor, so you guys can see what's new, what styles they've come out with. Let's walk this way. I'm seeing lots of wood tones, wood materials, which I absolutely love. You guys can see the options. So many to choose from. Check out this dining table. Let me see if I can move the dining chair. This one's new. It's going for $899. Oak veneer brown state. This is kind of a high-end designer dupe, actually. I feel like I've seen this style before. And where do I find my child? In the gaming room section. Baby, leave that alone. Oh gosh. Boy moms, where are you at? Oh my gosh, we've been on the hunt to try to find my husband a desk. This one, I really, really like. Desks can be so expensive. If you know, then you know. And we both work from home, so we really do need to find a desk ASAP. My poor husband's just kind of been editing everywhere and anywhere in the house. This one I really do like for $629. This is what the front looks like. It's just simple, but it's nice. It's better than a lot of other ones I've seen here. Oh, I like these. $149. Oh, these are nice. And I need some for my son's room. So it's a gray brown. And it says new lower price. I wonder if they marked them down. These remind me of like the Pottery Barn style, just very minimalist. The white stained oak. I think this would be, oh, you can't open them. Can't open them, but I think this would be a good style too for maybe a kid's room for $89.99. These can go for $200 to $300 each at the designer stores. Yay, we finally made it to the PAX wardrobe system. If you've been with me for the last couple of years, and you know that I had the Ikea PAX wardrobe before and I loved it so much. I actually had it in this color, but now you can get it in this color. So I wanted to come see it in person, and here it is. Oh, this is so pretty. So I kind of want to do this color with the black hardware. I think that would be so pretty because we do have wood flooring in the closet as well. Oh, I'm so excited. I originally didn't want to get contractors to get a custom closet. This is a custom closet, but you guys know what I mean? Kind of going with, you know, a company. And guys, when I tell you they were quoting me a ridiculous price, I'm like, nope, it's okay. I'm just gonna go design my own at Ikea. And of course, I will be sharing the whole process with you guys once I get started. But today, I just really want to come see the color. And I love the color. Like, I love it so much. Here is the traditional white, which I had before. And I loved as well. But we're gonna switch things up. And I think I'm gonna go with this color. And I'm so glad that I saw it in person. I did design my closet already, so we are going to be getting started really soon. Here are the sliding doors, again, like I was saying. And then here you guys can see the color that I'm talking about with the gold hardware. But I'm gonna go with black. It's just gonna flow better with the rest of the house. And then all of my dark loving people, they also have dark color options. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this little kitchen. If you have little ones, this is the cutest thing. Even they get a modern kitchen. And it's reduced at $79.99. My baby's too old for this, but if you have tiny ones, that's cute. They even have, you know, stuff for kids' rooms and nurseries. Ikea also offers a marketplace area where you can grab your little cart and then go shopping and find pieces of your kitchen, things that you might need. It's all the fun down here. The party's down here, guys. Look at this, for your spices. It's only 20 bucks. You guys know that I have an obsession with utensils. And I like these. They range for a couple of dollars, $7.99, $5.99. They have a ton of them. A stainless steel skimmer. Oh, I like this one. It'll match my Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take some of these for sure. Look at this dark brown color. My sister's obsessed with this color. She's here with me too. I'm wondering if she took them. It's like a delicious brown color. So nice. These, they remind me of the ones that I just picked up from Home Goods. And guys, the more the better, because for some reason mine tend to break or they disappear. Look at the little bowls. These are so nice. I like the aesthetic of them. I think they're $19.99. And then these down here, there's no price. Oh, I think they're all $19.99. I like this towel. This is really pretty. I like the color too. $7.99. Oh, the towel hanger. Ikea, do you sell this towel? I need it. Look what I found. Oh, I just like the little hand towels. It's $5.99 and $2.49. Here it is. I think this will look so nice. It's a light gray brown. Oh, I like this. But where are the rest? Oh, here they are. Pillow caught my attention. This would be nice for like a, oh, I think I can get it out. For a living room, even a bedroom. They're so big. That's what she said. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Haha, it's a joke. But yeah, that one's nice. I don't know how much it is. There's no price, of course, on the one that I liked. Meh. Get all of the styles. That's a natural color, but it's kind of giving me, looks more yellowy. I like the other one better, but this size is $8.99. So obviously you buy the pillow cover and then you purchase the insert separately. Oh wow, lots of drapery options, guys. One thing I've learned with my house is that drapery can be very, very, very expensive, but I think it's worth it. Of course, if you're someone that wants to save a little bit of money, come to Ikea. They have lots of options to choose from, and they're good quality. I have purchased drapery from Ikea before, which I loved, but drapery can be so expensive elsewhere. A nice color, off-white Linda. This would be nice for like a bedroom. Oh, this would be really nice if you want to bring in some warmth. Mine are like a really pretty, I don't even know, they're linen. I can't wait to show you guys once I do my living room tour, the drapery that I got from 2 Pages. Obsessed, obsessed. But this is a really pretty style from Ikea. $3.99, don't tell me twice. This is nice. I need one for my son's room. For $3.99, he can destroy this and I won't get mad. Oh, I like the throws. I can't leave without showing you guys the throws. Oh, I swear I have a sweater just like this. This beige color, and then it comes in a really pretty white color. Oh, look at this one. But I feel like this one won't keep me warm. I just like the color. That's a beautiful color. They have a lot of options. I do want a new throw. This is a really nice little carpet. My son has a runner just like this in his bathroom. I need to buy more hangers for my son's room, and I like the color options they have here at Ikea. Right now his hangers are this color. I got them from Home Goods. They're a little bit darker actually. So I think they're like a walnut color, the ones that I have in my son's room, which they don't have, but these are nice. They're just all white. I even like the black ones for my son's room. I had to clean out his closet. How much are these? So these you can get here for, oh, $8.99, a pack of 8. My husband needs something like this for the garage. I wonder how much these are. Not the tools, guys, but hey, they're having a pretty good deal on tool set. I'm talking about this little like backboard. I can't wait to redo our garage one day. That's something we really want to do, but right now we're obviously so focused on so many other things that the garage is going to be for last. But now I know where I can come get those. I believe I have them in black and white here too. Look at this little guy. I love the base. Take a little linen shade, $69.99. It's pretty. Guys, a little tour of the lights that you can find right now at Ikea. I still remember when I first got my apartment, we came straight to Ikea to find, you know, some lighting for the apartment, and you really can find some really good ones. I like this one. I think it's for outdoors. Yeah, it's for outdoors, but I like this one. It's $59.99. Take it way back. Who has been with me since the good old days where these would be sold out all the time? I had the black ones. Was it the black and white ones? Oh my gosh, I already forgot. No, I think it was these. It was all white ones. But now look, fully stocked. These are great to do a gallery wall of some sort in your home. I loved them when I had them. If you follow me over on Instagram or on Snapchat, then you guys know that Eddie and I have been on the hunt to find our olive tree and a pot for our olive tree. I don't think I'm going to purchase one from Ikea, but I want to share with you guys the options that you have here at Ikea. They actually have quite a few. Oh, look, there's even more over there. Yay, we did find some goodies. Let me know if you guys want to see a haul. And we've made it to the warehouse. So when you shop at Ikea, you guys saw that we went through the showroom first, then the marketplace. If you liked anything in the showroom that you want to take home with you, you make your stop at the warehouse, find your items, and take them home with you. Ikea is pretty fun, actually. It's kind of an experience. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, always check out the as-is section. It's pretty much the sell section. You can find pretty good pieces in there. Sometimes they may be damaged or they may be returned, so make sure that your piece is, 100%, you're 100% satisfied with it before you make that purchase, but yeah. And to get the full Ikea experience, you could even eat here, guys. There is a whole, food court that you can go get some food, but my son loves to get ice cream here, so he's gonna get some ice cream. Baby, what are you getting?
I'm thinking of lemonade and blue raspberry.
Okay, baby. Well, have it while you can. I am going to get another coffee. What did you think? I didn't know what to expect going to Ikea this time. I had not been to Ikea in a while, and I was really excited to see what they've come out with. Lots of colors, but also lots of neutral tones. We are seeing organic modern everywhere in the interior design world right now, and I am here for it. I always feel that Ikea really keeps up with what's in, what's trending, what's new. So I really love that about Ikea. And of course, their prices are very, very, very reasonable. Do keep in mind, you get what you pay for. In the past, I've actually purchased some pieces from Ikea, and they're not bad. They're not bad at all. But of course, the quality is not the best. But again, they're good pieces to have in your home. And some of these pieces, you would never think that they're even from Ikea. They really do elevate a space. And I love that you can find everything at Ikea, from kitchen to living room to bedroom to office. There's just so much more that you can go and pick up at a one-stop location. Now, I specifically went to go check out the Ikea pack system. Guys, I am so excited to finally get started on my closet. As you guys can see, I shared with you guys some of the new colors they've come out with. What did you guys think of that? Do you have the Ikea pack system? Because I've owned it in the past and I absolutely loved it. Of course, I will be sharing with you guys that entire process. I plan on getting started within the next 2 weeks or so. So I am excited to go back. But let me know down below, was there something that you absolutely loved at Ikea? Have you been to Ikea this year? And are you an Ikea shopper? Is Ikea like your jam? Because I know some people love Ikea. So I am excited to see what you guys comment down below. As always, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I hope you guys are really enjoying the shop with me videos that I have been uploading recently, and stay tuned for lots more content. So as always, stay safe. I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.